Today, I am reviewing the iRobot Roomba Plus Combo Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you think of robotic vacuums, the name Roomba is usually the first one that comes to mind, but for the last few years, other brands have been pulling ahead by adding fully automated mopping docks. With the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 combo, which is also known as the G185, iRobot is finally firing back with a complete, hands-off vacuum and mop ecosystem. I've been putting this machine through its paces on hardwood floors, thick carpets, and high-traffic kitchen tiles to see if this premium AutoWash dock and spinning pad system can actually live up to the hype and replace manual cleaning altogether. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, which is the mopping mechanism. For a long time, standard robot mops just dragged a damp microfiber cloth across your floor, which did fine for light dust but absolutely failed at real, stuck-on stains. The Roomba Plus 405 introduces spinning DualClean mop pads that apply continuous downward pressure to the floor. When you pair this mechanical pressure with their SmartScrub technology, the robot does not just pass over a spot once, it actively scrubs back and forth over stubborn grime. I tested this on dried muddy paw prints and sticky coffee spills in the kitchen, and it managed to completely erase them without leaving a sticky residue behind. You can fill the water tank with standard water or compatible cleaning solution, and the difference in floor shine is immediately noticeable. Of course, the magic of a modern hybrid robot is how it handles a home with mixed flooring. Nobody wants a wet mop pad dragging across an expensive living room rug. To solve this, iRobot uses an intuitive pad lift mechanism. When the robot is vacuuming a hard floor and senses an upcoming carpet or rug using its undercarriage sensors, it automatically lifts the spinning mop pads completely out of the way. This allows it to seamlessly transition from deep scrubbing a tile entryway to vacuuming a thick area rug in a single run. You can customize the behavior completely in the new Roomba Home app, choosing to vacuum and mop simultaneously, run a vacuum-only pass, or tell the robot to completely vacuum the entire house first before heading back out to mop. On the vacuuming side, iRobot claims this model features 70 times more suction power compared to their legacy Roomba 600 series. While marketing numbers can be hard to visualize, the real-world performance is undeniably powerful. It utilizes a multi-surface rubber brush rolls design rather than traditional bristles, which is a massive win if you have pets. Hair does not get tightly tangled around the rollers. Instead, it gets guided directly into the suction channel. Debris like dropped cereal, fine dust, and heavy pet hair are devoured easily across 4 customizable levels of suction. Navigation has also received a massive tech upgrade with Clearview LiDAR. Older Roombas were famous for bumping into furniture repeatedly to map a room, but this new LiDAR system scans the environment instantly. On its very first run, it built a highly accurate map of the home, allowing it to navigate in clean, efficient straight lines rather than random patterns. It steers smoothly around chair legs and obstacles, and the specialized drop sensors ensure it never accidentally tumbles down a flight of stairs. Through the app, you can use this precise map to establish clean zones for targeted cleaning, like right under the dining table after dinner, or set up keep-out zones to protect delicate areas like pet water bowls or tangled entertainment center cords. But the real star of the show here is the AutoWash dock, which genuinely takes the misery out of maintenance. When the Roomba finishes a cleaning cycle and returns to base, the dock takes over entirely. First, it empties the robot's dust bin into a sealed bag that can hold up to 75 days of debris before needing to be thrown away. Next, it begins the pad washing cycle, spraying clean water and spinning the pads against a cleaning plate to flush out trapped dirt. It continuously refreshes the pads during long cleaning jobs, so it is never washing your floors with a dirty cloth. Once the wash is complete, the dock uses heated air to dry the pads completely. This drying process is crucial because it prevents the damp pads from developing a sour, musty odor or breeding bacteria while sitting idle. The clean water and dirty water tanks are separate and large enough to handle up to 4 weeks of regular mopping and self-cleaning before you need to refill or dump them out. The app itself is incredibly straightforward, giving you clear time estimates for jobs and tracking filter health so you know exactly when components need to be replaced. You can also trigger the robot using voice assistance or physical buttons on the machine itself. If there is any minor drawback, the dock takes up a decent amount of physical footprint in your room due to the large water reservoirs, and the pad drying cycle does make a low humming sound for a couple of hours, but that is a very small price to pay for weeks of completely automated floor care. If you're looking for a basic vacuum, this level of automation might be overkill. But if you want a machine that genuinely vacuums deeply, scrubs away real stains, lifts its own pads to protect your rugs, and washes and dries itself without you lifting a finger for weeks at a time, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 combo is an absolute powerhouse that sets a new standard for home cleaning.